Good night. My name is Rubén Marisol Torres Gomez. I am a student of Introduction of the Linguistic. And for the question, what is dialect? The answer is a dialect is a form or materialization of a language. That is, a specific way of speaking the same language, which is shared by a community of speakers. For example, a city, a region, a country, a continent, depending on how large it is. And that is distinguished from other forms of speech typical of other regions or other groups. A dialect is the different variants of realization of the same language. For example, in Colombia where different dialects predominate because there are alterations in the phonology and morphology of the pronunciation. Colombia has clearly marked features that differentiated the coastal zone, Atlantic, and Pacific from the central zone of Colombia, Cundinamarca, Nariño, Boyacá. Dialects are always part of the same language. In our case, Spanish, and it is incorrect to classify a dialect as a language that has few speakers. The Spanish language has a history. It presents some historical determinants, such as the chronological factor, the commercial factor, and the administrative judicial factor, which mark each area of the country, with each predominant dialect. Although independent, they always had bridge and connection with each other. With its own rules and a particular logic, for example, speaking Spanish in the Caribbean and speaking Spanish in Bogota is so strange that only we ourselves understand and know that these dialects are Colombian. Thank you.